Hey y'all, how's everybody doing? I hope everybody's doing well. I hope everybody's safe and trying to stay at home. So guys, I have got some spoilers for the Ipsy May Plus Glam Bag. So if you're excited for this video, y'all go ahead and hit that thumbs up button. Also hit your subscribe button and make sure your bell's on. That way you're notified and you don't miss out on none of these spoilers. And before we get started, if you're new here, hi, I'm Mandy. I do a lot of makeup related videos. Now sometimes I'll go off track and do something else I'm interested in, but I promise not to disappoint you all the time. Now let's read that first comment from my last video, which was some Boxy Charm May Premium Spoilers. Thank you so much, Amber Rochelle. Amber says, thank you for sharing this new spoiler. I love your accent. I hope you're hanging in with all this crazy. Love you, girl. Yeah, Amber, I am, honey, and I hope you're doing the same, honey. I hope you're safe, and I really appreciate you coming by and watching the video. Thank you so much. I love you, girl. And if you yourself would like to get a shout out, be sure to leave a comment under this video. You're going to have 1 out of 2 chances of getting it. You could either set your bell and try to be first at it, or you could be one of the comments I pick. You never know, I might pick you. Now stay tuned till the end when I read the comment that I did pick. Alright guys, let's go ahead and dive into this madness. Now again, this is for the Ipsy May Glam Bag Plus bag. So first up, let's look at the May Plus bag. Absolutely gorgeous. I love it for spring. Perfect. The first spoiler is the Kate Somerville KX Active Concentrate Ceramides Plus Omegas Serum. Next up is another Kate Somerville item. It is the Kate Somerville Wrinkle Warrior Hydration Gel. Next up is the Murad Renewing Eye Cream. And then we have the Nomad Cosmetics Nomad and Sydney Bather's Kiss of Sun palette. Next up is the MODT I Got It 5-piece brush set. Next up is the Girlactic Skin Glow Duo in Sunset and Moonlight. Next up is the Sunday Riley Good Genes All-in-One Lactic Acid Treatment. And then last but certainly not least, guys, is the Super Goop Shimmer Shade Illuminating Cream Shadow. It's got an SPF of 30 in it, and this is in the shade Golden Hour. So guys, of course, as soon as they reveal anything else, I'll keep you guys updated. You know I gotta keep you in the loop. And as always, Ipsy's linked below if you want to go check him out. Now guys, let's read that comment that I picked in my last video. Well, thank you so much, Lisa415. Lisa says, hey Mandy, fantastic as usual. Thank you so much, Lisa. Honey, I hope you're doing good. It's always good to see you in the comments. And thank you so much for coming by and watching the video, honey. I love you, girl. And remember, guys, you got to leave that comment if you want to shout out. And guys, double check. Please make sure you're still subscribed to my channel. You know how YouTube unsubscribes people for no reason at all. But if you would check on that for me, and if you're not, why the hell not? I mean, it's 100% free, and it's a gift from me to you. And it's rude not to accept a gift, so you got to take it. So go on down there and hit that button. Then I'm going to need y'all to rate the video, but you're only going to have one option. You can only hit the thumbs up button because my thumbs down button quit working a long time ago, and YouTube won't fix it. And there's one more tiny thing before you guys head out. Damn YouTube. If you would, make sure your notification bell set on. That way you don't miss another upload of mine. You'll catch all these spoilers. And guys, I do a lot of other videos other than these spoilers. So if you ever want to put a face to the voice, go check those out. And that's it. That's all I got for you. And I love y'all so much. And I'll see you in the next one. Bye, guys.